Hey everyone, I'm Justin and you're watching the JMK Garage. So this video here is a little different than most of mine. This one here is a product review for some parts I received from NiceCNC for the Harley Dyna back there, which I'll be installing and reviewing throughout the video. NiceCNC is a company that specializes in CNC parts for various bikes, including Harleys. So I'm going to get to it. In the package here we have a fork brace, as well as some mirrors and some fins to dress up the motor to make it look a little nicer. So let's get those parts unboxed and install them onto the bike and do a review to let you know my thoughts on the installation and quality of those parts. Alright, so first part we have here is the fork brace. Packaging here is okay. And the part, as you can see, no damage or nothing. Very nice shape, nice machine work all around. Very nice piece, and nice and light. And next part here, we have the engine dress-up kit. I'm not sure exactly what they call it, but those there go on the cylinder heads just to hide around where the spark plug goes, just to make it look uniform with the nice polished fins. Also very nice machine pieces there. A slight bit of damage there. Package isn't damaged, so it looks to be something from the factory, but that's very minor, and you won't notice that once it's underneath the gas tank anyways. And it looks like those ones there just tighten on with some set screws onto the head bolts. And last parts there is the mirrors. Very nice quality packaging. Keep the parts nicely protected. So we've got some hardware there. Nice appears to be stainless steel bolts. Both mirrors. Very nice machine work on there. And having a mechanical engineering background, as well as some machining experience, I can really appreciate the quality of work there. So we'll get those unpackaged and put them on the bike and take it for a little spin. Alright, so the fork brace here, which is a very nicely machined part, unfortunately won't fit on this bike. As you can see, fork tube there and there, it's far too wide. So this appears to be for the wider forks on the wide glide style Dyna, not the narrow glide, which is used on most of the Dynas, including the Low Rider, which I have here, the FXDX, FXD, and Super Glide, and Convertible, and all those other models. So unfortunately, that one there won't be going on in this video. Alright, so next up is the engine dress-up pieces here. Those there will secure onto the top of the cylinder heads. Right here, as you can see, is the head bolts and a spark plug. But right there is just open and it doesn't look uniform or complete like down here. So those that secure onto the top, just to give it more of a complete look with the polished fins there extending out a little closer to the spark plug. So we'll get those on. I've added on some double-sided 3M adhesive for trim panels there, just to secure it down to the cylinder head in case the Allen screws in there come loose. So a nice thing about these Allen screws here that I can appreciate is that where the Allen key goes in, it's a deep pocket. Hopefully the camera can pick that up there. But unlike some that don't allow that to extend all the way in, it rounds off the Allen key or the Allen screw and just damages it. This one here sets in there about 1/4 of an inch, close to. Allows it to grab nicely and get good leverage to secure it into the hole. So we'll get some blue Loctite on there. Get the spark plug wires off. This one here is one with the slight damage along the fin there. So we're going to install it in the back, or it'll be hidden by the gas tank and petcock. Place that on there, like so. Nice and snug. And get the next one on there. Nice and snug as well. Spark plug wire back on. And we'll get that front one put on there now. Those Allen keys put in. one snug as well. Get the spark plug wire back on. And that's done. And last up here are the mirrors. These here aren't OEM Harley mirrors. They're something that the last owner put on, but they're fairly cheap and they've given me some problems. They've come loose while I'm riding and start flopping around. So I'm looking forward to the new mirrors here. So we get these ones here taken off and get the new one there installed on. Fairly simple. Allen bolt goes through there, hides the top of it, and a lock nut goes in the bottom. Get that tightened on. Alright, and we'll take the last mirror off here. Again, very simple install. Alright, so just make sure those mirrors are lined up to where they should be for best view. And first impression is they're very nice. A much better view behind me than those last mirrors did. So the alignment there is pretty spot on to where it needs to be. Get those secure down. Nice and snug. There we go. All good? Right guys, there you have it. Installation on the parts is complete, aside from the fork brace, which as I mentioned unfortunately does not fit on this model of Harley Dyna. However, the spark plug covers and the mirrors both fit on. Machine work quality is top notch in these parts. I highly recommend them if you're in the market for such parts. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. And also, if you're in the market for any of these parts or other parts for your Harley or other bikes, I highly recommend checking out NiceCNC. Thanks again, guys. Catch you next time.